Hey guys, today we have the unboxing of the iLife A4s. The box, it's part of their Beatles series.
And the vacuum cleaner dough. Robot vacuum cleaner.
That's right, it is a robot vacuum cleaner. So we're going to open it up here and see what's inside the box.
Sounds very fun.
Alright, so inside the box we have another box. Okay, so it's pretty well packaged in there. So this would be the retail package.
That's a robot cleaner?
Let's open this up.
I thought it would look different.
The robot cleaner looks different.
Alright, and here we are. iLife.
This doesn't
Okay.
look fun.
We've got a user manual. We've got a bag
I'll
with the
take this out.
we got a bag with the charger. We've got a set of AAA batteries. We've got a remote control. We've got a let's see if we pull the robot out now. Here it is. Put that to the side. We've got the charging station. And it looks like we have an extra HEPA filter,
Yep.
a brush, cleaning brush, and extra edge sweeps. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel and you'll get to see this thing run.